So next, I'm going to show you how you can draw on PDF. So in this tutorial, I will show you some simple steps so you can easily draw and add color or something. If you want to highlight something, then you can do on PDF. So stay tuned with me and let's get started. So guys, I will use Microsoft Edge to edit on PDF. So guys, this is Microsoft Edge browser, and here I will show you how you can draw on PDF, right? Alright, firstly, what I will do, we are going to download a sample PDF. First of all, I'm going to search sample PDF download and click it. So guys, here you can see this is a sample PDF, and right now I'm going to show you how you can draw on PDF. In this browser, you can do many things. So here, I'm here to show you one by one all the things how it will help you. As you can see, this is the draw icon. Just simply click on this drop down button and you can easily change color, and you can also change the thickness of the line. You can change color into yellow, white, black, all the provided color, and change the thickness from thin to thick. So right now, I'm going to change the color into yellow. And if I want to draw like this, you can easily draw on your PDF file. You change the line thickness, and then you can easily draw on your PDF file like this. You can add line on the paragraph, on the text, or the heading. So you can simply add line or draw custom design on your PDF file. If you want to erase all of this, just click the erase icon and click to all the drawing or the line, and it will be removed easily. Friend, if you want to highlight text, then simply click highlight and the drop down button. For example, I'm going to highlight the heading. So you can see this is highlighted. If you want to change the color, then click the drop down button. For example, I'm going to change to green, and you can highlight this text. Another example, you want to change this color of the highlighted word or highlighted sentence. You change it into pink, then you can simply click and it will be changed easily. So that's all. It's very easy to use this editing browser on Microsoft Edge if you have a presentation for your online class and etc. So this is very easy to use as I already showed you. So thank you. That's all, and have a great day.